Got a GE dryer. The noise this one was making, it sounded like some bass. Was kind of boom, 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 boom. Pretty loud. Would scare the kids at night. I took the lid off. There. Yeah, no, it's a little dirty. That's a model number. I went to the appliance parts place. That's the kit number I got. So this kit actually includes the, I think they call it the bell. No, the drum. The top drum liner. I got the fleece, as you could tell, it wore out. And actually the bearings also, because it only has one. Should have one here also. And then two more over here on this side. And that's what's causing it to make that really loud noise. And actually, the drum itself is cracked right here. So it was taking longer to dry the clothes because a lot of that heat was escaping. So hopefully that'll fix it. I'll do a follow-up. See how that goes. Well, right now it's spinning. You can see I got the top off. I'm being very careful. Obviously use caution when you do this. Right now it's not making any noise, but generally it scares a kid. I'm gonna try to throw something in there to see what happens. So that's what the sound it makes. And actually downstairs I could hear it. It sounds like a real loud thumping sound. So I'm gonna put that fleece, and I think that's what's gonna help out, along with those bearings and that drum liner. The kit also has a new belt that comes with it. Just be careful when you're doing this. Obviously, you want to make sure before you do anything, put that sucker there so it doesn't turn on accidentally on you. And obviously, unplug it before you service anything that's electrical. So I got the door off. Here's the drum support. And then you can see over here where it's cracked, and this is where it was letting all the heat out, and it was making the real bad noise. Especially when there was weight in the front of the drum, it would grind up on here. So that's why I'm replacing this along with everything else that's missing up here. So the other side should look like that with the guides and the felt that goes along the top of it. And it pops off just like that, apparently. So there's the old drum bearing. That's what it's called, drum bearing. And then you could see the old one, which is on the right. New one's on the left, and that's missing quite a bit. That's why I have a bunch of lint. Aside from not cleaning it up. So that bearing kit did it. I changed out the fleece, the drum liner, and the belt itself. So now all you hear is the close and the motor spinning. So that worked out good. Again, here's what I used. That's the kit number. Hope it works out.